Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. If anyone see the last video, the mega hot hatch Roadster meet, this is the following day, so another early start, 2 days in a row. But we're back at Beaconsfield Services for Stef's, which I'm just walking over there. Fourth Caffeine and machine Convoy, and he's bought the TTRS press car again. Yes, mate. Yeah, just getting the intro.
Hi guys, again.
2 days in a row now.
I know, mate. It's like we're addicted to car events.
Just need more sleep. It needs to be later in the day. But
I know, yeah, it has been a busy weekend, trust me. But no, it's been a good weekend for sure. And hopefully the weather's holding out today, at least until the afternoon. So it should be a good drive down there. And we all love a bit of caffeine machine anyway.
Yeah, so. It's always, no matter what the weather is, it's always good.
Oh, B5 RS4. Nice.
Yes, just rolling
like
in.
That. Couple more cars coming. Anyway, I'll catch you in a minute, mate.
All right, mate. I'll see you in a bit. That's very nice. Just get away from. Nice wagon. So yeah. Plan is I'll probably stick with the Convoy maybe for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to shoot ahead of the Convoy and try and get a shot of the whole Convoy all rolling in down the hole just before Caffeine the machine, just to show you how big it really is. Right, so update. We are about 10 minutes outside of Caffeine the machine. For anyone that's come from the Banbury direction before, at Banbury and then across the field, like across the sticks, you'll know this spot. So we've got this quite steep downhill section, so they'll be coming from this direction. We get a nice sweeping around there, down there, and then back down that way again. And so Darren's just going down with the GoPro down there, and he's going to get a nice little shot of them all heading off into the distance over that way. So yeah, now is a matter of just waiting. I hope, well, obviously we got here before them in time. There they go, I think. Still hear him, he's all the way down there. He's probably about 500 metres down there already. You can still hear that A45. There's some more of them. Is that a Civic? It's got to be the Civic with that. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god. Still hear it. Oh. You can still hear the Civic right off in the distance. Oh, that's crazy. There you go, Stef and the TTRS. Folio. Come the Aston Martin bank. think that's pretty much in, so we've got to jump back in and go catch up. We caught up with them, they weren't that far ahead by the time we pulled out, so this is most of the convoy along here. We've got, again, the press release TTRS at the front, got a nice V6F type, Clio Sport, Golf R, a couple of other Megane RSs and Pumas, we've got an M3 is pulled up, and then we've got the usual a Bath Owners Club that runs all the way down, all because of Stef. Yeah, there's a few nice cars around the front. We got Sports and Tourings, Ismo 370Z up here with driving Sams, DBS Superleggera, and a very nice light Nardo grey wrap. There you go, stroke pipe DBS. Right guys, yeah, so obviously we're at Caffeine Machine. Here's one of the co-owners of the Roadster app, so yeah, if you're not on it, you need to get on it, because it's, I hadn't said it's not like Instagram, but I'd say the easiest way to sort of explain
Instagram,
it, yeah.
Facebook and Tinder for car enthusiasts.
Yeah, that's, but it's like, yeah, Instagram but Google Maps combined, because you can see live locations of other car drivers,
events.
yeah, where they are and that. But yeah, we've just been having a good chat about their next event, maybe based in Essex at Northfield, because we know Northfield's a popular venue for car shows up our way. So yeah,
can't wait.
Maybe something like that. Maybe in the future.
Sure. We'll be back to the UK.
Yeah. So guys, if you're not on Roadster, get on Roadster. Check it out. It's a great app. Lots of events, friendly people. Everyone's a lot chilled. So yeah,
absolutely.
But we'll catch up again soon, mate.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right. Stef ABTV again.
Hello.
The one who's organised the event. A bit more civilised this time.
It was good. It was good fun for sure, mate.
And then we got Brad from Supercar Lifestyle as well, who's been very lucky in just taking the DBS out.
That was fun.
Yeah, in this weather, now the weather's turned and it's starting to rain again. Yeah, and with his Ant's taking it out, well, he went out in passenger ride.
Yeah.
Stef went out in the passenger ride as well.
I drove it as well.
Oh,
Yeah,
very nice.
mental car. Absolutely bonkers. 850 horsepower, 5.6 litre, V12 twin turbo in the rain. Mental.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Not the best car for your first experience with that sort of power. And you preferably want it to be dry.
Yeah, exactly. But it was good fun nonetheless. And,
Yeah.
and thanks to everyone who came today, man. It was such a good turnout. I had a really good time. And thanks to you as well, buddy.
Yeah, no, it's been good. Yeah, not really part of the convoy this time, but the footage
Yeah.
of everyone coming around that bend down the hill
Exactly that.
should be good. Yeah, so yeah. Now we're on the later side of Christmas,
well, we're all
hopefully the
ready
weather
to go home. Unfortunately, the rain has kicked in, so it's time to go back down. Sunday, get into my PJs and rest. That's my plan for the rest of the
Get all
day.
the footage uploaded.
Do some
Yeah, that's it.
yeah, exactly that. So yeah,
So,
cool.
yes. Get in the cars, warm up, take an easy trip home.
That's it.
Yeah.
Take it from there.
Yeah. Till the next one, I suppose.
Yeah, thank you, dude, for coming.
Yes,
Always
mate.
appreciative.
Very nice meeting you.
You too.
And, yeah. Hopefully we'll see.
Subscribe to him.
Yeah, and him,
Subscribe.
and him,
Subscribe to everyone.
in this moment. Yeah,
Share it
friendly,
out.
be friendly. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, till the next one at Caffeine and Machine and the next Stef ABTV Convoy. Smash a like, subscribe, leave comments down below if you want to join us. We're becoming a regular thing now as well. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.